Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some really cute clay charms. You can use these charms as pins, magnets, keychains, pretty much whatever you want. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we do get started with the video, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below with the hashtag notification squad to be featured in my next video. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the clay charms. Okay guys, so to make these charms, I'm going to be using white polymer clay. You can also use air dry clay if you want. And the first thing I'm going to do is roll out the clay. You want to make sure that it's not too thin, but it's also not too thick. Once you've rolled out the clay, you can start cutting out the shapes. The shape will of course depend on what you're making. I did some prep work and I made these templates using paper, and this just made it so much easier because I just pop on the template, cut it using an X-Acto knife, and as you can see, the shapes are coming out very clean. By the way, you can also use cookie cutters if you have the appropriate size. I didn't have any, so I ended up making my own templates. I will say one thing, that trying to cut the clay directly is very hard, and it will take you a lot more time trying to perfect the shape. Also, it would be a huge challenge to make two of the same charms if you had to. So if you are going to make multiples of the same shape, then definitely make a template. Once you're happy with the shapes, you can go ahead and bake them in the oven according to the packaging instructions. If you are using air dry clay, I would recommend that you wait 24 hours before you start painting. To paint the charms, I'm using acrylic paint, and what I'm doing here is I'm adding the first layer of paint and I'm letting it dry completely. So I will be adding the details at the very end. With acrylic paint, you want to make sure that you let each layer dry completely before you move on to the next. Otherwise, it does start to come off and it gets very messy and it's not as smooth, if that makes any sense. I'm sure you guys already know what I'm making because you've seen the thumbnail of the video, but I'm going to tell you anyway because why not? So I'm making an egg, toast, avocado, watermelon, bubble tea, donut, rainbow, planet, bear, and a burger charm. I only ended up making 10 in this video, but the list that I made before I started filming had I don't know, 30 or 40 different things. So I mean, there are so many charms that you can make, and if you guys want to see a part 2 of this video, let me know in a comment because I have so many ideas. Once I was done with the base layer of paint, I let the charms dry for about 2 hours, and once they are dry, you can add the final details as well as the faces. I ended up making a different expression on each charm, and I feel like that made each of them like different in their own way, and they came out super, super cute. Once the charms are completely dry, you can go ahead and add a varnish. This will seal the paint and it will also give your charm a nice glossy finish. You can also use resin for this step, which that would be amazing. But because I'm making these for myself, I just skipped the resin because I don't really need that great of a finish. I think the varnish is good enough. But yeah, you can totally use resin if you want. And here are the charms all completed. I am so happy with the way these turned out. You can go ahead and turn these into pins, magnets, keychain, whatever you want. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the way these turned out. They look so cute. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.